Hi everyone, my name is Arvin Olano and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, nobody asked, but Andrew and I are here in Long Beach and we are checking out the Restoration Hardware outlet. One of my friends here in California said they are having really good sales of 40 to 60% off. So this will be our first time here at the RH in Long Beach, and I can't wait to show you what we can find. Now, before I begin, if you're looking for a channel that's gonna help you live your style so that you can live a fashionable life, this is it. So you can go down below and hit that subscribe button. All right, everybody, we are walking up the stairs up to Restoration Hardware, and don't worry, I have my mask. It's blue, it matches my outfit today really nicely. Look at this place, everybody. It's so nice. I can't wait to go inside. They open up at noon on Sundays. It's like, who's that? Okay, you guys, we are inside the RH outlet. So much good stuff. Look at that really cute chair. Love the shape, very modern. Look at those, yes. What's great about RH is they always do like large and grand pieces, like this piece here. They have really good pillows too. How much is this couch? Okay, $65.95 and it's now $3,300. Ooh, it's like almost 50% off, wow. And look at the cabinet. Oh, such a good piece for a little decor moment. The gray toned wood is stunning. It's for $3,600, originally $71.95 for that piece. This is a cute dining moment. These chairs are very iconic to RH. Love the shape, looks so comfy and cozy. Oh my gosh, this bed, wow. Love the details and love that it's white fabric too. This could be a possibility. We're looking for a small kind of platform bed. Okay, I am dead for this piece. Air Roots Rose, $210. Super cute to add like visual interest to any kind of console moment, coffee table, or a large shelf. Wow. They have a lot of dining tables here, you guys. This one is $2,000, originally $39.95, so 50% off. The brass details makes it super modern, but the wood tone is really chic. Ooh. Oh, there's Andrew. Oh, I see the mirrors. Oh my gosh, do they have the gold gilded mirror in here? No? By the way, here's what I'm wearing today, you guys. What do you think? I don't see their iconic mirrors here. I saw in a video before where someone found one at an outlet. Stunning. Oh, I guess someone already bought it. I love like it looks vintage and time-worn. Super chic. Ooh, how much is that? Okay, $330 for that table. Love the shape. Okay, we're going upstairs to the bedding section. Let's see if we can find anything here. We're looking for a platform bed that's low to the ground because Ginger needs to be able to jump up. Oh my gosh, look at this. The wood tone, stunning. Okay, these nightstands, you guys, amazing. Originally $13.95, it's now $700. It's a really nice size too. Oh, I wonder if Andrew will let me get one. It'd be perfect for the bedroom. And look at the dresser. Yum. Love that. $21.55, $180. Such a good desk moment. Could be good for my studio or Andrew's. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all the rugs they have in here. That one in the middle looks so good. Wait, it's barricaded. Can we not go in here? Oh, I want to go in here. Okay, so apparently everything in the outlet has been returned. That's what I just heard one of the associates talk about. That's why they're so cheap. Here's another cute little nightstand. $280, you guys. Wow. It's a little too small for our bedroom, but I love the color. Also, I've been told multiple times by people that I can't film, but you guys were doing it for YouTube. Oh, look at this. $1,080. That's really pretty. All right, everyone. We just left the RH outlet. I'm gonna be honest, that was kind of a bust. On top of that, people were telling me to stop filming, and I felt like because I was so overdressed, they were paying attention to me more than usual. So I changed out of my little purple number, and I'm just back into my tank top now, and we're going to Big Daddy's Antiques, which I'm very excited about. We just want to get inspired by other home decor pieces, see if we can score some vintage finds, and then on the way home we're gonna hit up the Restoration Hardware Gallery on Melrose. Okay, you guys, wow, this place is huge. I don't even know where to begin, but we are, wow. Look at this piece. It's absolutely stunning, like a framed vintage rug. 7,500. Okay. They have so many big crystals here. Wow. Look at that. They're probably super... Oh, are you kidding? Look at this one. Oh, wow. So pretty. How much is it? 16,000. Oh my gosh. I'll take it. Look at all of these vintage treasures, everybody. Wow. How cozy are these chairs? They look like little llamas. So good. I love this. Wow, what's over? Oh my gosh, there's something new everywhere. Oh my gosh, how much are you? Like a vintage rug lumbar pillow. So good for a bed moment. Yes, it doesn't have a price, so that makes it expensive. Okay, Andrew thinks that piece is good for my studio, something big and open. I'm gonna have to agree. To display like my handbag, some of my clothing. Okay, this little room is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Of course, I keep finding large crystals in every single room. Look at that piece. It's so big. Something about this bookcase too, it just feels like magic. Wow. Look at that giant wooden bowl. So good for a centerpiece moment. Oh my god, vintage rugs. Okay, so the nice associate just asked if I wanted water. Next level service, of course. I'm really drawn to objects that are kind of like this. I feel like that's a vintage wheel, if I'm not mistaken. Wow. This bowl reminds me of the centerpiece I have in my dining. The size is similar, just this one's a really dark cherry wood tone. It's a leather Fendi round dining table. How major would that be if that's in your home? Chic. Again, so many really cool wooden pieces. And that's why I love getting wooden pieces from like Home Goods, because they age so well. Okay, look at their outdoor section. Oh my gosh, imagine building a sink out of these stone pieces. This one, wow. Oh my god, are you kidding? Look at the size of this crystal. Okay, here's my hand. Wow, I wonder how much that guy is. Probably really expensive. Bye. Vintage vessels. Look at these massive vintage vessels. I could like fit in there probably. Ooh. Look how big this one is. Oh my gosh. Okay, Andrew is liking this little moment with the succulents. I'm not sure what that's called, but if you have a huge backyard, that's a great idea to add some greenery and an architectural element. Wow. Okay, we are here at Restoration Hardware Outlet. Oh my gosh, look at that chandelier. Look at this stunning little console moment with a large art piece. This is what makes Restoration Hardware so iconic, is using large and grand pieces, and that's what I try to do in our home as well. The symmetry in Restoration Hardware is insane. Look, right there. And right there, again, another key point that makes them so iconic. Look at these, wow. What a great way to add visual interest to your space. Another good thing RH is known for is obviously all the white books. They're so aesthetic. Look at this shelfie moment. This living room setup, so good. We actually saw those little light fixtures at the outlet. I love these spheres for the fireplace, so chic. Okay, wow, look at this major moment right here. This giant vintage looking iron tray with the massive crystals. Wow, I need that in my home. This bedroom is major, everybody. The crystal chandelier with a Moroccan style rug makes it super earthy. And of course, those large vessels to add height. And again, very symmetrical. The gray toned wash headboard is stunning, wow. And the mix with the black pillows and the black here. This is kind of the vibe that I want for the bedroom. I also like how they have two of those art pieces with a giant art piece in the middle. Here's a really pretty bedroom moment. I got the styling inspo from our mirrors right above the nightstand from RH. Very simple, light, bright, and airy. And I love when they have an extra blanket at the foot of the bed. Makes it so cozy. These nightstands are incredible. Wow. In front of the bed, we have a seating moment. I love what they've done here. Again, lots of symmetry. I like the moss bowl and that stunning eyepiece.
Look at this right here. They have the moss right there.
Yeah, I love the moss with the vintage vessel. And look how ginormous that one is with the big tree. How good is this bedroom? Wow. I'm obsessed. Okay, this outdoor moment is major. Love this little canopy. Of course, with the giant vessels, just to make it statement, make it more grand. All right, everyone. It is the following day, and I am back at home. I wanted to do a quick mini haul of what we picked up in California. I have to say, Andrew and I had so much fun driving around LA and just getting away from Vegas, getting away from the heat, getting some major inspiration in the antique stores and restoration hardware. So the first thing that we picked up is this gold brass vanity set from the Restoration Hardware outlet. Now, when I saw these, it was already when the associate was telling me to not film, so I didn't get any of these on camera, but the minute I saw them, I immediately fell in love. I want to start adding brass pieces into my home decor collection because something about them feels classic and timeless when done right. And honey, this is so good. It didn't come in a set, you had to purchase it separately. So the brass tray is originally $85 and the outlet price is $40. So not bad for a really substantial piece. I don't even actually plan on using it with the actual vanity set. I plan on putting this on top of a console table and maybe put my watches and my jewelry in here. Beautiful trays, just like this one, are so versatile. I love the modern and minimal kind of design, and this is just something that I'm going to have forever because it's so well made. It's extremely heavy, and the brass tone is perfect. It's not that super yellow gold, and it's not like a copper kind of gold. It's just right, and it feels so high-end. These little guys I'm definitely going to have in my vanity or even in the kitchen island. I can see myself putting, you know, skincare products in here or maybe cotton pads. And of course, this one is just so luxe. Look at that. Look at that little, look at all the different facets of this piece. It's so high-end. This was originally $110, and at the outlet, it's $50. This last piece was originally $145, and the outlet price was $70. So it was 50% off. A lot of these pieces were marked down for a crazy amount of price. moving right along to the next piece, this wouldn't be a haul video for me if I didn't pick up a super chic coffee table book. Now, this one, again, is from the Restoration Hardware Outlet. They must have put this out early in the morning because we were there right when they opened. It's a Chanel book set by Azaline? Anyway, it's really chic because it actually comes with 3 different books, and one is about the Chanel fragrances, another is about their fine jewelry, and I think this one is on the history of Coco Chanel. I love this because they're a little bit different from my collection now. I have a lot of massive coffee table books, and I thought that this little trio as a decor piece is perfect for like a nightstand, even a coffee table. I think we picked it up for around $40 and it was originally $80. So again, really, really good price. Last but certainly not least, the piece de resistance in this haul is, hold on, let me actually get it because it's really big and really heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Wow. Ooh. Woo. Wow. Okay, so if you saw the thumbnail, you would have already seen this massive quartz crystal. Now, this is so good. It's incredible that we found this. It's from the Restoration Hardware Outlet. And again, I think they put this out early in the morning because it was by itself on a console table. At this point in time, the people that work there have already been following me around, telling me to not film, so I couldn't get this reaction and this piece on camera. So this piece retailed at $2,000 and it was marked down 70% off. When I saw the price, I immediately told the associate to put it on hold up front because we had to walk around and just kind of think about this piece. We didn't see any other furniture pieces that we were in love with. There were a lot of great dressers and nightstands, but nothing that was perfect for our home. And even though this was quite a pricey decor piece, I have a love for massive crystals. It really helps kind of set the tone in a room or a space, makes it feel really high-end. If you've been following me for a while now, you would know that I'm constantly looking for crystals and geodes from HomeGoods, but nothing of this size and magnitude. So I think this is the crystal to end my hunt for all the crystals from HomeGoods. We have this right now in our bedroom, but I feel like I can move this around in different places in our home and it will definitely create that major statement. Also, let's talk about the size of this crystal because I thought the one that I got from HomeGoods last week was massive. No, honey. This one is literally half the size of my body. Let's do a head test. Hold on. Ow. Okay, it's literally 2 of my head. It's huge. It's so massive that when Andrew actually carried this to the car, he got cut by the crystals and he was bleeding all over the place. We had to run to CVS to get some gauze and band-aids. It was a whole thing, but anyway, it's a stunning piece and I'm so happy that we decided to pick it up. All right, everyone, that was it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this shop with me, and if you didn't know already, Restoration Hardware Outlet exists. It's a great place to find some good deals at a really good price. Don't forget to sound off in the comments down below and let me know what you thought of today's video. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.